Hey guys, today I'm gonna change the oil on this Cub Cadet here. So I'm just gonna lift the lid up here. There's my filter. There's my filter, and there is my fill spot. So now I just need to find out where it drains from. I haven't done this before. This is the first time for me, but I bought an oil change kit for it. So I just need to find the drain plug on here. All right, they made it really nice actually. So everything you need to do this oil change is right here. There's three things you got to worry about. So this is where you're gonna drain your oil. It's actually really nice. So this cap here, what this thing will do, I'll show you when I get to it, but you'll twist it and pull it, and then you'll pop that cap off, and then the oil will drain out. Of course, this is your filter, and then this is where we're gonna add our oil. So first things first, and we're gonna go ahead and put our pan underneath there, but I wanna show you this oil change kit I got. So you don't necessarily need this thing, but it's kind of nice to have. So we'll go ahead and crack it open, but it's got the oil and the filter, and of course the catch basin here for it too. Here's what it's got in it. I can't believe they even bothered putting that in there and didn't do nothing. So checking the filter, we're gonna make sure the filter's the right size too before we do anything. So really all you're paying for is the right filter and the right oil that goes in this. So, and this was the filter cap. So there we go. And they're recommending SAE 10W30 for this thing. Well, I can see why they did the triangular design, because it fits right in there. Right, because you got this. I lowered this all the way, by the way. This just gonna go right in there. It'll sit on there. Once I pop that off, I'll kind of hold it there. All right, let me show you how to get after this thing. So this is where your drain plug is. Get a glove if you can, but once you pop that cap off right there, that's where all the oil is gonna come out. So be ready. You can see a little bit down there. So there, it's kind of hard to see right in there, but we're gonna turn it to the left a little bit and then pull it straight out. There we go. That's how you drain it. Pop that a little bit, get some air in there. And then we'll just keep an eye on this to make sure it doesn't go all over the floor. But take a little bit of time and just drain it right out of there. It's kind of nice they do this because, you know, really if you had your drain plug underneath there, it'd probably get all marred up by, you know, from running around and mowing and hitting rocks and all that good stuff. But we'll see how long this takes. I think it'll be a little while for it to drain based on the flow right there. So I'll let that go for a little bit. Once it stops, I'll go ahead and pop the filter off and change it. All right, now just gonna pop this back in, turn it to the right like that, put the cap back on it. Now we're ready to do the filter. All right, you guys, so I drained that oil. Sorry, got the pressure washer going in the background, the electric one. Oh man, I think I'm gonna need either two hands or an oil wrench for that one. So I had to bust these babies out to loosen that up. Whew. So I anticipate some oil coming out of here. Usually it drains out quite a bit in the car. So hopefully we don't get too much. A little bit. Now I'll take some of this oil and lube the new gasket on the new one. I'll just show you. All right, here's the new one. So I'll just take a little bit of this. Just kind of lube the gasket up a little bit. Sorry, probably hard to see, but just take this one and screw it back on there. One, see how much oil's in there. Just let it sit up like that. Just hand tight. There we go. Now we're gonna add our oil. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add oil to this. Honestly, I don't know how much oil's supposed to go in here. I'm thinking with the oil kit, they gave us like the exact amount. So let me open this up. I'm at least gonna put this as soon as I pop the top on that thing that started leaking. Crap, oh well. A little oil to get up off the ground. I'll let you guys know how much oil this thing's supposed to take, or how much this one takes. Yeah, there's the end of the first quart. I'm guessing it takes probably close to 2 quarts, but I'm gonna pop this off and check it anyway just to see where we're at. Probably do, well, it just depends. Okay, let's see where we're at after 1 quart. Hard to say. Let me wipe it off and dip it in there. Okay, actually you can see that. So after 1 quart, it's just above that L. So it's gonna take another quart. So that oil kit was accurate. Go ahead and put 1 more quart in there. All right, here goes quart number 2. Oh, geez. Hopefully you guys got a better funnel than I do. This funnel sucks. Go ahead and add this thing. All right, we added that second one. Let's check it. Oh, I didn't overfill it. Oh yeah, we're looking good. We're right there, just above full. Perfect. All right, the oil is now changed. That's how you do it. And I thank you so much for watching.